Hello everyone, this is Raj from Bluecrest School of Fashion and Design. Presently we are working in Sierra Leone. Today I welcome you all in our YouTube channels, and we especially encourage people like fashion designers, fashion innovators, local artisans and all. So we are going to present a event or a session for our all fashion aspirants. Today I am going to talk about or give you a glimpse about small views on the technology meeting fashion. When we talk about technology, everyday designers are inspired and astounded by the recent discoveries and inventions in the field of fashion technology. With the current ideas and the refining techniques, they are developing their new design approach for humankind together with the creative process also. First of all, let us talk about some small example that I have seen in recent days. There is a store called as San France store in San Francisco, if I am not going wrong. There, what they did, they were really in a concern about one matter, that as shoppers are coming there, making a lot of noise and they are in and out. Overall, their shopping experience was disturbed by the huge crowd. So what they did, they are using kind of virtual dummies and dress forms, where you can just stand in front of the dress form and you can check your size for the garment that you are matching up. It would be more clear if we can do some research on this. Together with this, we are now entering into the online, and with the help of IoT, I mean to say Internet of Things, nowadays we are helping people through the chat bots that are available on internet. Like, let's say if I am unable to find out the correct garment for the correct occasion that I want to celebrate, some people, they have different choices, but the point is the designer or the stylist know actually that what you should wear for a specific location with the matching color code, the fit, and that actually affects in your reputation and your job that you are carrying forward for a successful life. Like this, we are going ahead in every aspect together with the fashion technology, and we are always thankful to engineers, computers, innovators, then of course the designers. If we talk more about technology in fashion, nowadays people are making antibiotic and microbial garments also. Like, let's say for suppose humans who are living in a challenging environment, they have antimicrobial shirts, and with the help of smart fabrics, nowadays fashion is going ahead. So it's my request to fashion innovators and designers that they should not stop learning. I will be back soon with another new and emerging topic. Till then, take care and be fashionable. Thank you.